Namaskar, this is Dr. Parashuram Patil. I am an agricultural and natural resources economist. I welcome you all on the Institute for Natural Resources YouTube channel. The Institute for Natural Resources is the think tank in natural resources. It is a research institute focuses on various components of natural resources such as natural resources accounting, natural resources valuations, natural resources economics, land accounting, forest accounting, biodiversity loss accounting, sustainable development, etc. India is one of the important countries in the world in terms of natural resources. In fact, all kind of natural resources are available in India. Among that all natural resources, forest is a very important natural resources which is abundantly available in India. In fact, forest is the base of all kind of natural resources. Contribution of forest in economic development is gaining very much importance. Therefore, concepts like forest accounting and its application is gaining very much importance. Hence, today's topic of discussion is the forest accounting. We will see what is the forest accounting, why we need the forest accounting, how to do the forest accounting, and what are the different components available in the forest accounting. Forest accounting means identifying monetary values of invisible ecosystem services and visible ecosystem services of the forest and evaluating status of forest resources like trees, biodiversity, forest goods, various forest assets, etc. In simple words, forest accounting means understanding the contribution of forest resources and forest services in terms of economic development, environment, and social development, etc. Now, why we should do the forest accounting? What is the significance of doing forest accounting? We have to do forest accounting because in order to identify forest resources, you have to do forest accounting. To identify invisible forest ecosystem services and visible ecosystem services, invisible ecosystem services and its monetary value, we have to do forest accounting. To identify economic potential of the forest, we have to do forest accounting. To identify biodiversity loss and its cost, and to identify risk of disaster, you need to do forest accounting. To build up a forest industry, to reduce deforestation, to make the sustainable development, to protect habitat, to reduce migration, and to know the fair economic development, we should go for the forest accounting. Now, what is the forest accounting? What are the different components of forest accounting and how to do the forest accounting? The forest accounting involves various components and its monetary value such as timber resources and its monetary value, forest ecosystem services and its value, non-wood forest products, for example honey, bay leaf kind of thing, and its value, and different animals who are directly depends on forest. So while we are doing the forest accounting, we have to be consider this all kind of components of forest assets, forest resources, and its contribution in terms of monetary gain. Now, India is a forest-rich country, and economic potential of forest is huge. Therefore, it is advisable to do forest accounting of the each and every district of India. Even for the sustainable economic development, it is very important to understand what is the status of forest resources in terms of economic development, in terms of physical resources, in terms of physical laws, in terms of environment, in terms of in terms of even economic development. So country like India, which is abundant in forest resources, we must go for the forest accounting. Thank you.